corrupted one. The question is whether the screaming troll that disappears is identical with the one that reappears.
Mm-hmm.
And
so that's a transporter problem in Star Trek, isn't it?
Well, it seems to me that the problem of identifying those things comes down to always a statistical and a probabilistic argument. So the question still remains to find convincing arguments which are statistical and probabilistic instead of 100% certain.
Well, first of all, you're raising problems that are both epistemic and metaphysical in terms of philosophy. There's lots of debates still going on what causality is, how it all works together and all that kind of thing. And how we know what we know, it goes into the statistics and that. And in fact, there's just no time to address those kind of issues here. I had to simplify in order to fit it all together. But in fact, if we go with your premise, there is one problem. We have to treat the rest of the world the same way. And it's not just psi experiences, it's not just these kind of extra physical kinds of things that occur that you treat that way, but the rest of our perception of the rest of the world has similar problems. And so, in fact, life is a statistical game. We gauge the probability of the truth of what we know based on how it fits into the context or coheres with the rest of everything else that we know. And so we just weigh evidence. That's all we do is weigh evidence. And we think we know something, but we only know it better than we know something else. It gets real complicated. Okay.
We're out of time. Thank you, Paul.